In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a unique ID to a board in Monday.com. A unique ID makes every item on your board easy to reference in conversations, automations, and integrations. It also helps when you need to quickly pinpoint a task with support or across multiple boards. Start by heading to your Monday.com home. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account. And if you have multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the right one for the board you want to update. If you don't see the options I mention, you may need board edit permissions from an admin or board owner. Open your workspace, then open the specific board where you want to display unique IDs. You'll be adding a new column to this board, so wait for the board to fully load before continuing. This ensures the column menu appears correctly and prevents accidental clicks. On the far right side of your board's columns, look for the small plus icon to add a column. Click it. If your board has a lot of columns and you don't see the plus icon right away, scroll horizontally to the end. Adding the unique ID as a column keeps it visible, sortable, and easy to export with your data. From the menu that appears, choose More Columns. This opens the full column center with all available column types. The column you want is built into Monday.com, so you won't need any custom setup. Use the search bar and type Item ID. This quickly filters the list so you can find the Item ID column type. The Item ID is a system-generated number that's guaranteed to be unique for each item on your board. It's not something you type into. It's automatically assigned and read only, which makes it reliable for linking, referencing, or syncing with external tools. Select the Item ID option, then click Add to Board. In a moment, you'll see a new column appear on your board. Each existing item will automatically populate with its unique ID, and any new items you create from now on will get their own ID instantly. There's nothing else you need to configure. Finally, adjust the column width so it's easy to read without taking up unnecessary space. Hover over the right edge of the column header until you see the resize handle, then drag to widen or narrow it. Keep it just wide enough to display the full number at a glance. That's it. You've added a clear, consistent identifier to every item on your board, making collaboration, reporting, and integrations much smoother.